Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tiramisu at home without whipping cream. First, we'll create a luxurious cream base using mascarpone and egg yolks. Begin by separating 6 large eggs, keeping the yolks for our mixture. Whisk these yolks with 100 grams of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale yellow and thick, forming a beautiful, airy foundation for your dessert. Next, prepare your coffee component. Brew 2 cups of strong espresso or coffee and allow it to cool entirely. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 2 tablespoons of coffee liqueur or rum. Then, swiftly dip each ladyfinger into this aromatic coffee mixture. Be careful not to oversoak them, as they should remain slightly firm to hold their structure. Now, it's time to assemble your tiramisu masterpiece. In your serving dish, spread half of the prepared mascarpone cream evenly over the first layer of coffee-dipped ladyfingers. Carefully arrange a second layer of dipped ladyfingers on top of the cream. Finally, cover everything with the remaining mascarpone cream, ensuring the surface is smooth and even for a beautiful presentation. The final steps are crucial for the perfect tiramisu. Refrigerate your dessert for a minimum of 4 hours, though chilling it overnight yields the best results for flavors to meld. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. This adds a beautiful finish and a hint of bitterness. Remember to check the description for links to great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your homemade, creamy tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.